I know. You're expecting me to rage, right? Well, let me just clarify something now. This is not an airsoft review. It's not. It's a BB gun review. Which means today I will be changing my means to, from what I am to basically, I'll still use the 1 to 10 system, yes, but being crossman, it's not going to be good. And the sad part is, this is my first actual review of this damn gun, and I actually had to pull out the damn owner's manual on it. I don't even know why I bought the damn thing. Okay, let's look at the specifics of this bitch. Mechanism is bolt action, power source, pneumatic pump action, number 3 up to 10 pumps. Ammunition is a BB, 4.5 millimeter steel air gun shot, or a 1.77 caliber 4.5 millimeter lead air gun pellet. Sights are fixed front post, flip, bullshit. Reservoir, here we go, can hold the 350 BBs. Safety, crossbolt, magazine, 18 BBs. Velocity up to 625 FPS with a BB, up to 600 FPS with a pellet. Whatever. Okay. Fuck that thing. Here it is. The Crossman M417. And before you say it, I'm gonna say it. What the fuck, Crossman? You had to rip off the 417, a 7.62 caliber rifle, and you give it a 5.56 style magazine. It's not even a fucking magazine. It's a fucking storage area. What the fuck? How I'm gonna hate my life. And you saw that. Button not working. This is the storage area. How? You press down these 2 damn clamps. You do that! Ah, here's the magazine for the pellets. 5 shots, by the way, guys. And the reservoir, it's this goddamn thing right fucking here. Has a 6-position retractable stock. I'm not going to give the history on the 416 because I want to get over this shit as fast as possible. And then this shit. This shit right here. This is not a removable panel. This is molded into the damn gun. Has a Picatinny rail here for whatever fucking grip you want to put on there, but you know what? It's not going to fucking work, because when you actually pump the damn thing, look where it goes to. It goes right there fucking there with this damn thing, which is right there on the damn sight post, but that's bullshit. And then it has a top Picatinny rail here. Oh, so fucking great. And then it has this bullshit here, which doesn't even fucking work. Actual BB gun companies overseas can make better faithful fucking replicas than you assholes. I cannot believe I just raged. 2 minutes into the fucking review. No, not even 2 minutes. 1 minute into the review, I finally raged. So what about this? Is this worth the $90 at your local store? Well, I'm not going to do a POV cam because I'm actually going to do a distance test. And I actually now remember why I bought this gun. I live on a farm. And I was really young at the time and I wasn't allowed to have a real firearm. So I got a BB gun instead of a gun that I love using in Call of Duty. But I didn't know what a 417 was. So I thought, oh, it must be a 1-up to a 416. So we're going to take this outside and we're going to put some rounds down range on the distance and see how far I'm able to get on shots. Which means you guys are going to see me, which means, oh, and the safety is this right here. Shotgun safety. So, you're going to be there with me at the actual distance, and we're going to see how far we can actually get on targets. So, let's get this fucking over with. So here we are at roughly 100 or so feet. My target will be the barrel down there. It's my target down there. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to load the thing. Gotta get the BBs in the reservoir first. What you do is you basically pull this all the way back and then push it forward. Okay, and you pump it. I'm going to give it the 10 pumps. Ah, shit. Fucking thing hurts. Turn on the red dot. Safety's on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera down that way. And I'm going to turn the camera on and off every shot. So you guys are going to get interval shots, alright? Okay. Okay, here we go. So the 416 is a distance weapon. That's what I'm going to use it as. Safety's off. Huh. That's the shot low. There we go. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay. Oh, wait. There it goes. Okay, yeah, that's what happened. I forgot to pump it pretty damn good. Okay, third and final shot. Oh, recommendation, you put the safety on whenever you start pumping the damn thing. And I missed. Well, you saw it. I'm regretting ever using this damn gun. So, is the gun worth it? No, not really. To be fair, the gun itself is pretty decent at handling pests and target shooting, but outside of that, I honestly couldn't see me using this damn gun for pest control anymore. Well, what's my final verdict on this damn thing? 5 out of 10. It's an average gun. You can find these little damn things everywhere. You can... It's not unique at all. It's just a painful 5 out of 10. So, yeah. I wouldn't even recommend buying this damn gun. I'd recommend buying an airsoft gun or something. I mean, fucking hell. Do something good with your money for once. Thank you guys for watching. This has been AirsoftAl. And I am not that good a shot with this damn thing. I mean, if it was semi-auto and everything like that, then yeah, I'd be a pretty damn good shot. But no, fucking hate this gun. See you next time. I really hate my life.